We have to click on power on this virtual machine. We have to wait till this icon should turn into blue. We have to wait until this icon turn into blue. Now SAP Management Console. Maximize the CCC. Right click on the CCC. All tasks. Start. Give the password. It is this your password. Now maximize on this GCECC6201. Click on this plus. Come to this ABAP WP table and refresh. So always see this. This is in yellow color now. First it will be gray, then yellow, and it should come turn into green. Then only we can able to use this. So I'm refreshing this. We'll have the all table information in few seconds over here. You can see this all tables are coming in the run stage, and this all are start is no. This all should turn into yes, and this all should turn into wait. I'll refresh in few seconds. You can see it is turning on to wait stage. All should turn into wait. So now you can see mostly have come in wait stage. This is your own customized server, that's why it is taking little time. You can see all is in wait stage. Then we'll minimize this and we'll go for SAP Logon. Click on this logon. Go for your user is SAP user and password is again the same. Now it's switching on. Now you can see it is coming loading data. So now suppose if I'm having a T code MM0, if I'm entering, you can see it will take little time. As there is a no data, it is empty. However, you are going to use in the further, it is going to increase the speed. Now you can see here, I'm going to exit again and same T code I'm going to use. You can see the response, how much time it will take. MM0, and you can see as soon as it is coming. So as it is empty, you have to work on this and it will come speed. I'm closing this. I'm saying logger. I'm closing this. While closing also you should follow the same step. Come here, right click, all task and stop. And again you can see it is in green color, it should turn into gray color. Refresh, I'll refresh it to work little faster. You can see it is going down. Yeah. So still it is in green, it should turn into yellow and then gray. You can see it came into gray. I'll close this. It is going to ask you save console setting. This always should be no. And then I'll come here and I'll do the shutdown.